Hi guys, so today I'm going to try to show you how to bleach dye a t-shirt, or how I did it at least. I've done it one other time with a black t-shirt, and that's actually what I have for you today. I have the regular swirl, like you would do in traditional tie-dye, and then I also tried to do the scrunch one, where you just scrunch up the shirt and rubber band it together. So what you're going to need is rubber gloves for sure. A shirt that you're going to do, it's probably better to do like a darker color, like black or dark gray, even blue, maybe like red, really anything you could try. And then I also have my bleach. The hard part about this is it's a spray and it's not as controlled, so we're going to see how that turns out. Hopefully this works. We'll see. Alright, thanks. Okay, so also I put down a garbage bag, so that way it doesn't get all over the place. I have dogs and I'd rather not have them running all through bleach, because bleach is bad for your skin, bad for your animals. And also I'm going to do this outside because you want it to be well ventilated. And okay, so I have everything set up. Everything's already rubber banded, as you've seen. So let's try. Sorry, this is a new bottle. So I'm just going to drench it where I want, I think, the bleach to be. I did mix this to be like 1/4. As you can see, it's already, I don't know if you can see that, it's already changing the color of the shirt. Also, I do advise, if you are younger, to ask your guardians or parents or whoever to help you, because they're going to know what to do better. So I'm just kind of spraying all over where like I said, I only did this one other time. Hopefully it turns out okay. And this one. And then I am going to let this sit for a little bit and then rinse it out. Just try not to get it on your skin, because it can cause burns. Okay, see, this one's already changing color. Which is a good sign. So alright, so I'm gonna let this sit and we'll come back to it in a little bit. Oh, I should probably do that. Now we're gonna rinse these out and see how they look. Alright, so here's one of the finished products. This one was the swirl that I did. And here's the back. I actually really like it. So when I washed it out, I actually came to find that I didn't like how it turned out because it was very small amounts of area that got bleached. So what I did was take it and pour a whole bunch more bleach on it, and then I let it sit for close to 24 hours, and then I rinsed it out, and this is how it came out. I actually really like this one, and then I'll show you the other one in 1 second. Okay, and here is the other one. This is the one that I just scrunched. Same thing happened with this one. I redid it because I didn't exactly like the results. That's the back. I think this one turned out really well, for sure. I like it a lot. I've actually already worn this one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it was a little bit helpful. And see you guys next time.